कन्वेन्शन आमचे कन्वेन्शन हा 3 तारखेर जुलायचे इनेज ब्रागांचो हॉलान पणजे 3 ते 6 संडे इट इज 3rd of July. So तुमकां प्रेसाक आमचें आमंत्रण आनी प्लीज कम एंड कवर दीस कन्वेन्शन बिकॉज इट्स अ बिग अफेयर. आणि थ्रू दॅट कन्वेन्शन वी आर कमिंग आउट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम in a big way. With respect to floating casinos, we've got a few points here. We'll take up the floating casinos. See, Goa Su Raj Party will want to relocate. MOI will be in the language that has to be the language of the child. And the grants, which are central and state grants, will be given on merits. Freedom fighters. Now, freedom fighters, ताजो movement हा तो slight जाला because most of the freedom fighters are fake freedom fighters. Now the present president is a fake. We are making this allegation. The president by half of the Association of Freedom Fighters is a fake. Now if we are supposed to be proved wrong, then let the investigation take place. Then let them investigate the antecedents of this person and publicize it. Goa Su Raj will want to call the list of freedom fighters. Sogळे fake हाते बाहेर काढून standardize the freedom fighters in Goa because it's giving Goa a bad name. Live controversy here. Freedom fighters are demanding that Portuguese passport holders should not be given dual citizenship.